In this video, I'll show you how to fix WhatsApp call connecting problem. If you're trying to make any audio or video call on WhatsApp but it's keep connecting, then here's the real guide of how you can fix the problem. But before I start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. So now to fix the WhatsApp call keep connecting problem, the very first thing that you have to do is simply go and open up the Play Store from your Android phone and then go and tap on the search bar at the top and then search for WhatsApp. And then simply go and tap on the WhatsApp Messenger, and if you found any pending update, go and tap on this update button in order to update the WhatsApp application to the latest version. And once you have updated the app, or if you don't find any update, you just need to get back from here, then press and hold the WhatsApp application like this and then tap on App Info. Now simply go and tap on Clear Data at the bottom right and then tap on Clear Cache and then tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Just get back from here and then simply go and take your internet connection. Swipe down from the very top, and if you're using Wi-Fi connection, switch your network Wi-Fi to mobile data, or if you're still using the mobile data, then switch your network to a stable Wi-Fi connection. And right after that, just go ahead and try calling the person again, and most likely the connecting problem will be fixed. But after doing this process, I recommend you to restart your phone once. And if you have any software glitch, this will be fixed, and most likely you will have a stable call on the WhatsApp. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Or if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.